really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. I don't care about your body. Love the way you touch my body. From the back, eat body. I never tell nobody.
Whatever you do, just stay true and show passion. When you talk, be precise.
I took a flight for the paddock. You should be all so dramatic. I guess anything you want, boy, forget it. You just make me feel.
Good morning, rise and shine, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dominae's Diaries, and we back with another video. Going on the cruise today. Make sure you watch the last video for all the cruise prep and all that. If you're new here, hey, you should subscribe and you should like and you should comment. So yeah.
Good morning.
We're going on a cruise today. We're going to Mexico.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocky ship, cruising through the ocean, floating through the ocean.
It is currently about to storm in Texas, lightning and stuff. Yeah, I can't see it, but it was.
Now flip that camera.
Well, it wasn't lightning just then, but yeah. It's currently storming. I'm here. Well, about to, really. Oh. Gosh, could you have given me a second? But yeah, finna head out now. We were supposed to be leaving at 4, but it wouldn't be us if we wasn't a little late or a little. But we're already leaving very early, you know, to begin with, to be on the safe side anyways. So yeah, we're finna get this ride in and see y'all in a bit. Y'all, we finally made it. This is the shuttle back here. They're gonna take us to the boat. Y'all, we saw the boat. I'm gonna record it for y'all. When we pulling up on it, but yes. We really here. I think I'm excited now that I'm here. I think we was nervous, but I'm excited now. So we finally are in the cabin. Let me give y'all a quick little tour. It's actually a lot more spacious than I thought it would be. Okay, so like this is like the little walkway. This is the bathroom, y'all. Look at this shower. Like, you really got this tiny little space. Thank goodness we both small. And like, this is the toilet. Little sink area. I mean, it's good, you know, to be staying at. And we got all this little area and stuff. Little mirror. Got the TV right here. Fridge. Got a little couch, little seating area. And they already got us a blanket, so that's good. We didn't have to ask.
They got a 90s and 2000s party tomorrow.
Oh, we in there.
And they got Latin and R&B on day 3. Oh, yeah.
I'm finna be.
They got the 70s and 80s tonight. At 11 p.m. We might have to hit.
It's 11. Okay, I'm down. And then this is the bed, y'all.
Okay, never mind. Keep doing your video.
I'm trying to see how I feel. And they give you this little topper thing I saw to put your luggage and stuff on, so you don't put it directly on the bed. I'm not gonna show y'all the view yet. I hope I remember later. But we have a little window out here, but we haven't gone nowhere, so you can't see nothing. I should still show them.
Show them the view.
Got him.
2243. Yeah, 2243.
Y'all, we trying to get some extra stuff for the room. So she's calling.
All right, thank you. Alright, so he said, you're mistaken. Somebody gonna deliver some blankets, mattress toppers, fans, you name it. You in?
That's what he said.
That's what he said. So we there. I guess TikTok went lying this time, but TikTok been lying about a lot of shit.
You're literally joking.
You open the door, gang, and it's a hole. We got the tub, and we got the little so-called shower, and you can do both. Yeah, I want this one. You get the other one.
Bro, no. We get to swap.
Hey, gang,
This
is perfect. Cause I didn't know how we was gonna both get ready, bro.
This is so convenient.
It's finally gonna try the famous guy's
Got this burger and all that everybody been talking about.
So I'm gonna try the most.
I'm gonna have to touch y'all up on me. The fries is pretty good though. Not gonna y'all, this burger is fire.
Guy's burger, 10 out of 10, bro. Definitely. Fuck it up. Make it all fall off. Yeah, fuck. On your next cruise, go to Guy's Burger, bro.
I'll talk to y'all later. I gotta get down to business. Straight demolished for the winner. Straight demolished. What would you rate the burger?
10 out of 10, bro. I'm trying to figure out how I'm finna get up.
We got some free lemonade and water.
Oh, yeah, I can hear you. I just remembered you told me to call you. I almost forgot.
Y'all, we came to get some ice cream and cake. Oh, but we're gonna get the cake first. Hold on. I ain't know all this was up in here.
Look at y'all. Look at her sick ice cream cone. Ain't no ice cream on that cone.
This ice cream is plain.
This ice cream tastes like that ice cream that we used to make. I don't know if we used to make it at home out of snow.
Oh, I know, the ice cream kit. Yeah, because it tastes plain.
Where we made it at school. At home orange cream, but that's what it tastes like. Y'all know what I'm talking about too.
It tastes like water.
It do taste like water. But that's how I like it. I don't even like ice cream.
I thought it was going to at least taste like the one that we used to get at school, the little cups.
I'm talking about Bluebell.
Well, it wasn't always Bluebell. Yeah, we still use it.
And can I check this?
We haven't even started yet.
Is this, you wanna use it?
Yeah, we were. We using everything.
Okay.
Oh, I thought we had moved that moment.
Start the party.
I'm trying to get some.
Y'all, we're moving. We're moving very slow. But we're moving. Trying to see if y'all can tell. Yeah, we're moving.
Celebration. All your friends, tell your family, this is happening.
freshened up. Just freshened up, and I think we finna go find karaoke, go walk around a little bit. And that's what I got on. Just a tube top and a little skirt. This is kind of funny. And, well, I ain't gonna show y'all my shoes because I'm only going to the gym all week, y'all, to get me steps in. But I think we're about to go.
Making her walk everywhere.
Shut up.
It'll be alright.
I think we're about to just go find some things to do because I got a couple of things going on today. Well, really every day, but we're just gonna try to get into some. So yeah.
Like this. Yeah, like a wrap.
I play karaoke, y'all.
There's something wrong with me. Every time I'm alone with you, you keep talking about you loving me. When you feel in your body, you found somebody who makes you change your ways, like hanging with your crew. So you act like you're ready, but you don't really know. Hang up and you call right back. You got it bad. When you miss a day, when I feel your whole life's on track. Know you got it.
Dream in my cardigan. Laying up and mistakes. Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in it, so famous. Tell me, serving. On a hook stick. Doing a treasure and I'm nervous. Acting man on the radio. In the days and time was on. Alright, so we're eating at the buffet.
Show the real food. Like that. I had to go back and get the rice.
Oh! Literally, yeah, it shows in my eyes. My eyes are red. I can't fathom how tired I am. Like, I'm finna sleep so good. Pop that Benny. Pop that Benny. And I'm out. Good morning, y'all. It's day 2. So we're currently at sea on our way to Cozumel tomorrow. We just woke up. We're about to try to go get some brunch and stuff and pretty much get the day started. Excuse me. I just woke up. What's a mirror right here? I just woke up at like 9:30 and the sleep was amazing. I don't know if I should give credit to the Benadryl or if I should give credit to the water rocking me, but I slept phenomenal. I knew I was gonna sleep good, and I was so tired after yesterday. So now I feel like I kind of got some energy to get back to it. And yeah, we're gonna get ready for brunch.
Don't be so quick to walk away. It's me. I wanna rock your body. Please stay. It's me. You don't have to admit you wanna play. It's me. Let me rock you to the break of day. It's me. So you grab the girls and you grab a couple more and you all can be in the middle of the process. The stick, the smell.
Okay, y'all, so today's day 2 at sea. A little simple outfit I got on. So romper is a pretty little thing. Purse is Aldo. Shoes are ink, INC. I don't know what kind of colors. I just got on some jewelry. Got this from Miss A. Pandora ring. So we just got these juices. I forgot what was in it, y'all. It was like pineapple, apple, I want to say ginger. But on our little juice and dirty, so. Not bad. It's just like need to be stirred, like ready at the top.
Yeah, I should have strong. I have to go back and brush your teeth. No, beet stain.
The tea.
Yeah, beet stain. It's just good though.
Y'all, well, don't order the chicken and waffles. Cause what the fuck? Where is the rest of it? Where is the rest of it? Okay, y'all, I did get some more of a meal. I got a apple Danish. I got some fries from Vegas. So I'm about to dig in.
Hello, my name is Eduardo. I am your bingo host all the way from Mexico. Everybody say hello, Eduardo. Thank you very much. That's a good answer. What about you, my sir? Come again. There we go. What about you? Another cruise. There we go. All right. Let's call the next number. Next number.
Two, bro.
All right. You ready? Make a decision. Which one you want to take? Which one you taking? We got number 1, number 2, and number 3. All right, choose one. You want to do 3? All right, stand it up before in front of 3. Stand it up and stand. Don't touch it. All right. Chase, you stand on that side as well, please. So you chose 3. I'm gonna open number 2 and see how much money you just lose. All right. You just lost $500. That's okay, that's okay. You know why? Because I'm gonna give you another chance to think about your actions. And maybe you want to swap. Because I want to give you $1,000.
There might be 3.
And then maybe one of the envelopes. Wait, hold on, let me do this. Breeze family, what do you think? Make some noise if they want to keep, if you think that they have to keep the envelopes. Make some noise if you think that they have to swap the envelope. Alright, now, at the count of 3, you're going to reach into that hand, reach into it, one of you, and we're going to pull it at the count of 3, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
Isn't this so nice, y'all? Norman left us a little elephant. So cute. Food for dessert. Healthy queens. Got to get to that pineapple first. I hope this ain't the one that they had last night.
And then the side dish and then dessert. It's a $52. Company, I will implement every night for you 50% off. Yes. No, until wait a few more years, I will be president of the company. No, you will. If you. And maybe you're gonna make 2 more years. You're gonna celebrate for 5 years anniversary.
I'm straight.
Yeah.
I think the white one went in.
If we're gonna stay in this, oh, good enough, this place is perfectly safe. No, look, just stay on this polished concrete.
Who can sex you like me? Nobody. Who can treat you like me, baby? Nobody, baby. Liquor was the only love I know. But she rescued me from reaching for the bottom. Please, Courtney! Please forgive me, baby! I'm so sorry, sorry, sorry! Sorry! What did I do wrong? Courtney! What did I do wrong? Please forgive me, baby! Walk to the moon! And come on home! This is why I talked to the other side, Courtney, because of you. You broke my heart. Never trust another female. God bless you, Michael Courtney.
It's a real nigga birthday. Look, bitch. You hear me? Yeah. On that.
So it's currently 12:12 and we're in the room. I'm gonna have a little snack. This is our second drink that we're making with a Red Bull, wake us back up, some Hi-Yo, and Sprite. And we're finna go to the club. It's called Liquid Lounge, I think. And it don't start till 12:30, and as y'all see, like I said, so we got like 15 minutes or so. So we're gonna make our drinks, see if we can get back woke and everything. And so next clip y'all see me, I'll be at the club. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day, and just by looking out the window, I think we made it to Mexico. We're supposed to be making it there around 9, so that's like another, no, not 30, like an hour, hour and a half. So we just had some breakfast, which y'all just seen. And yeah, we're finna go ride the jet skis. I think our excursion is scheduled for 9:30. And yeah, I'm ready to do something active, get wet. Like, we haven't done nothing in the water yet. I feel like everybody else been in the pool, hot tub, like just doing something. So this is our first thing. I don't know if I'm gonna record in the water, y'all, because I just don't like my phone being by no water. Like, no. So I don't know. I see how I feel. I have like a little, it's like a Ziploc bag, but like for your phone, that you can put your phone in. But I mean, I can't really click record and start recording and all that. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's something I might just enjoy in the moment. I really do want to record though, to have that like on video. But when you have memories in here, this was like most important. Y'all, it's literally freezing in the room. But I'm trying to show y'all what I got on. So this is my swimsuit. This is from Fashion Nova. And you see how it has like this gold here. And then same here. And it's just plain black down here. And then this is like this little skirt I got off a TikTok shop. And it comes with like a little, strapless top too. So I think after the jet skis when we walking around, I'm gonna take this off, swap it to that shirt. But I just got this jacket on right now because it's freaking freezing. Like, if it's one tip that I can really stress to y'all is bring a jacket, especially if you're somebody who's cold, you're anemic. Like, it literally feels like it's like 50 degrees up here. So yeah, this is what I got on. And yeah, I'll be seeing y'all when we actually get off in Mexico. Made it to Mexico.
Look good, boy.
So right now we're trying to find the restaurant real quick, and we just signed up for we just signed up for our jet skiing and everything. So where did he say it was again?
Yeah, we're from Kansas, so there's really nothing close by.
Y'all, tell me why I didn't got ate up. Right here. I don't know if y'all can see. Like on my leg. That's a hair. Mosquitoes tearing up. We just went in to get on the jet ski. All booted up and ready. Or suited up. Try to say. I hope the vlog can hear me.
I wish I could paint all of these moments in vibrant. You are like surgeon and gunplay, surgeon and pillow talk, surgeon sweet dreams, turn into coffee in the morning. We talk street art, sarcasm, grass we moving high fashion, peach color moon glistens.
Yo, update. We lost a lash. We lost a lash at the end, but it's okay. We're gonna be getting cute tonight.
Is that a bearded dragon? Cause I had one of those. I'll pick it up.
That's what it is, I think.
She didn't be me.
She look like it's just staring at me.
Oh, I would check out.
Girl, them needing to cry for every day without apology. Put them the right way, that's my policy. Sean the Paul alongside Beyonce. I'm here, the man say. I'm dirty, yeah. Dirty, yeah. Dirty, yeah. Dirty, yeah. Beyonce, sing it now, yeah.
Well, y'all, we are back at the, I don't know, wherever we got dropped off. First when we got here, well, where the boat dropped us off, I guess like the port area or whatever. Y'all, how about I broke out in hives. My skin got irritated from the disinfectant, the Lysol on the life jackets, like, and I was trying to figure out like what it was. But I'm good now, I'm good. Only thing that's itching is these mosquito bites. The mosquito bites do not play. But yeah, I can kind of get into that a little more later, but I was just checking back in with y'all. Y'all, look what I found. Oh, and I'm changed. Oh, that's so cute. Let me get that side, girl. Yeah, that's. All right, y'all. So we finna get back on the boat. It's like almost 2:30, and we just gonna get some lunch because we did start we did start very early this morning. So get us some lunch and just go chill and then get ready for dinner tonight.
3 hours later.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you.
At the count of 3, help us to sing happy birthday to Dasha. 1, 2, and 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dasha. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
All right.
Another
Happy
dinner?
birthday,
Another
Dasha.
dinner?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I just.
All right. So it's 2:14. We just left the club, y'all, and we just trying to see what we gonna do. That food smell good. They just got dropped off. But we was walking by and this girl said, "We going straight?"
Yeah, I might as well go down there.
And we was walking by. Babe. We was walking by and this girl was like, "Do y'all know where everybody going?" And we were like, "No." So, and they want to be out to finish off her birthday and everything. So, I'm like, fine. I was ready to go to the room. But I'm like, okay, cool, whatever. We're going to find something to do. So, now that I think about it, I'm having, what's this stuff called, y'all? Deja vu. And I'm not drunk. But I'm definitely having deja vu for sure. We done made it to the casino, y'all. I'm so full and bloated. I need some music up in here. It's electric. She iced my shit. Good morning. We have made it to Yucatan Progresso. We just got on some simple fits.
Oh, my bad. I'm just trying to see how I look. Hey, y'all.
So, yeah, y'all. For the girlies, tell me why my cycle came. That's not fun, but I was already knowing, so I was prepared. But yeah, we finna walk these streets, and we already got a souvenir yesterday, so we're really not trying to do too much. So, see y'all when we get out there. Who's in my way, crying every day. I was losing my way, crying every day. When a real one holds you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't never fuck with no boss bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no sharp boots, I burned them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is, nigga, not your bitch. Nigga, not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, whole time this shit like 3 and 0, twin. Bitch, I be going in. So we just got off the shuttle, and we finna go find a little store, and then we're gonna walk to the beach they got here. Yeah, the food smells phenomenal. That's what I'm saying, y'all. So apparently I'm a hot commodity out here. They don't like that though. So we just found what we was looking for, and we finally about to head to the beach. So get in this water, y'all. It's hot. I'm cramping. It's a lot going on.
Hey guys, do you want a massage?
I'm talking about in it. Alright, so now we looking for a souvenir. Well, I got some shot glasses. We get something for our mom. They trying to find something.
Oh, yeah. I walk out the room, they take my hand.
And they doing 315.
Ah, okay. Don't you speak.
I know we gotta cop one.
What in the hell? No, we don't have to cop that. Girl, I'm weak at you, bro. So they got all these like little things that you can buy.
Oh, let's get her a fan, baby.
So I'm getting a bracelet made. That's how he's making it, guys. Like around. So I'll show y'all the finish. Okay, y'all, I got the bracelet back, and this is how it looks.
Timer just went on.
And yeah, I don't know. I just wanted it because it was so colorful, and then I could say it's from Mexico. So, all right, you guys. So we're currently heading back to the ship, and we're gonna eat because we didn't eat breakfast. So get us some lunch, and we gonna chill. Hopefully take a nap, y'all, because a cruise is very active, especially if you want to get your money's worth. You're doing all the activities. Find you a time to catch you a nap sometime, you know. Ooh, my edge.
Get some food and try to take a nap.
Karaoke time.
jump to the left.
Good morning. It is the next day, and unfortunately, the last day. So, we about to go get some breakfast, and then finally get in the pool and get on the slides. This is what my swimsuit. I think y'all seen this. But, yeah, this is my little cover-up skirt. So we just threw together, honey. But yeah, today's a lot. We got a lot going on today. Well, after we get on the slides and have lunch again, and we come back into the nap. Yeah, after all of that, after that nap, when we get up, we up. I'm thinking we should get the energy drink before.
Before the nap?
No.
Start drinking it at the pool?
No. When we finna go. Like when we get up from the nap. Cause that Red Bull, I read it didn't have enough caffeine.
That motherfucker started kicking in though.
It did, but it didn't like last long. I need my green tea. My green tea would have went stupid. I'm less bloated than yesterday, but I'm finna eat, so this won't last long. Yeah, it's the last day. I'm kind of sad. Don't want to go back to reality. Wish I could just... Maybe I need to work for Carnival. I might need to work for Carnival, but I don't think they be getting off the boat, though. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all at breakfast, or either I'm gonna see y'all at the pool. Alright, y'all, so today's breakfast, I decided to get some bacon, French toast. I'm not sure what that is on top. But y'all some scrambled eggs. Top it off of bacon. She got scrambled, she got steak.
Yeah, she wanna be like Mike, you hear me?
Shut up. We decided to just go whenever we get back in Dallas. So I'm finna get me an ice cream and we're gonna go back to the casino. I just want my ice cream. Okay, y'all, so it's dinner time, and Bae couldn't get in the other restaurant because of her stream, so we just went to the marketplace.
Well, good evening, everybody, and welcome to What's Each Got to Do With It.
And then it got thrown away.
So she would take that $1,000 and she'd buy you $1,000 worth of candy at the cherry on top.
And she would only spend half of it, and then the other half for dinner.
The other half for dinner. You know what I spend it?
Target.
How often does she go to Target? You don't know. Okay, let's see. Courtney, you said? Target.
She does not buy me a Nintendo Switch 2.
She hollering at you. Like what?
Like when I take candy from her.
Of your fellow cruising couples up on the stage, we're gonna ask them some questions. We're gonna get some answers. The only requirements for you to be on the stage tonight, y'all, it's in the name. You must be in love and you must be married. Where are my married people at? think Bob put?
My sister D.
Your sister D. Why?
She's annoying.
Because she's annoying.
I put her sister D.
Her sister D.
The reason is that my wife really gets after her is her sister calls her mom.
This place you two have ever shared an ice cream. We'll start with you two. Rambo, what'd you put?
Driving.
Driving. That's it. Just driving. Paula, you said? In our barn. In your barn? Okay, y'all know that phrase, rolling the hay? These are the originators. Okay. Sean. Sean. Don't look at me. Y'all nasty, so I'm saving you two for last. Okay? Mom? What'd you put?
It's kind of a long answer, but it was a terrible snowstorm. And our Volkswagen high-centered in the middle of a country road. And since we were stuck and we didn't want to freeze,
The private patio pool in Tulum.
Private patio pool in Tulum. Emphasis on private. Private pool. Okay. Semi. Girl, no. Private pool in Tulum. Sean. 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 You put.
didn't specify.
No. What'd you put?
The balcony.
The balcony. That Sean, someone has to sit on that same balcony, someone else tomorrow. And they will never know what occurred there the night before. We have a very hardworking housekeeping team, but they are not miracle workers, people! Balcony. Okay. They're gonna have to do more than clean. They're gonna have to like burn the balcony. I don't know.
Alright, y'all. I don't know where it last left off at. I want to say eating, but I just came back from the club, and yeah, y'all, today's the last day and going home tomorrow, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog. This was a very amazing trip, and I just I feel very blessed to be going out of the country and going on a cruise, and just to be able to do so. But I enjoyed everything. It's a memory I will never forget. My first trip, my first like big trip like out of the country, or not first big trip out the country, but first trip out the country, like first time going on a cruise. So double whammy there. But yeah, I had really so much fun. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna pop a Benadryl. I'm finna get into bed and gotta get up early in the morning to leave and get up out of here. So, love y'all. Thank you for watching if you got through the whole vlog. And yeah, thank you for watching Domine's Diaries, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.